Fine, let me go with the problem number 18. John plans to tile his kitchen floor with the square tiles. Each side of the tile is 10 centimeter. His kitchen is 2.2 meter long and 1.8 meter wide. They have given in terms of meter, but tile size they have given in terms of centimeter, right? How many tiles will John need? So let us check out here. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? Now 2.2 meter, if I convert it into centimeter, that into 100, which is nothing but 220 centimeter. Similarly, that is 1.8 into 100, which is going to be 180 centimeter. Now required, let us check out. We need to find the required number of tiles, which is nothing but area of the kitchen, correct? Area of the kitchen floor, and the area of the tile. Area of kitchen is going to be now length into width they have given, that is 220 into 180. Right. Now area of tile, that is a square one, they have mentioned, that is 10 into 10. Now simplify it. Here this 0 will be cancelled. So now 22 into 18 will come. Now multiply it, you are going to get the answer. 18 2s are 36, 3 carry, 18 2s are 36 plus 3, 39. So John required around 396 tiles. This is the answer.